Hey, what's up? Nokia 6.1 was one of the most popular and interesting smartphones at the beginning of 2018. Then the company released updated version Nokia 6.1 Plus or Nokia X6 with notch design and better specifications. We made unboxing and review of this phone. You can watch it by the link in description. Now we are waiting for the next generation. New smartphone will be called Nokia 6.2. It will be released very soon, in February 2019, so we already know many details about it. Also, there are render photos and videos that show how Nokia 6.2 will look like. Please note, we will discuss rumors and leaks in this video. The specifications and design are not officially confirmed. In description, we will publish official specifications and links where to buy new smartphone when it will be released. Nokia 6.2 will be the first Nokia smartphone with hole-punch display. As you can see, new phone will have very thin bezels around the display. The screen has a diagonal of 6.2 inches. Right now we don't know screen resolution, but most likely it will be Full HD+. It seems that rear panel is made of glass. Here you can see dual rear camera from Zeiss, flashlight and fingerprint sensor. If we talk about hardware, Nokia 6.2 will have Snapdragon 632 chipset. Also, there will be 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. Snapdragon 632 processor was released in the middle of 2018 and it scores about 100,000 points in Antutu. This is good result for budget phone. Most likely Nokia 6.2 will run on stock Android 9.0 Pie operating system because stock Android is one of the main features of Nokia phones. As for the cameras, we know only about 16 megapixel rear camera from Zeiss. There is no more information about cameras. By the way, Nokia 6.0 also had 16 megapixel rear camera. Is it possible that cameras will not change? We don't know the price of upcoming Nokia 6.2 smartphone, but it should be around $200, maybe $230. If it will cost more, I'm afraid that Nokia 6.2 will not stand competition with other mobile devices in 2019, such as Redmi Note 7, Galaxy M20, Oppo K1 and others. The leaks say that Nokia 6.2 will be released alongside Nokia 9 PureView at MWC 2019. The exhibition will be held on February 25th-28th. So Nokia 6.2 will receive new design with hole-punch display and it looks amazing on renders. However, the specifications are not very interesting. From other side, we still don't know much about cameras and battery. Also, the price will play an important role. So waiting for official announce and only then we will be able to say whether it is worth buying Nokia 6.2 or better to look for another option. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.